In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your photo look professional and polished across your Calendly account. First, open your browser and log into your account at calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see your avatar, which might be a profile photo if you've set one before, or a simple placeholder with your initials. Click that avatar to open a small menu. From that drop-down menu, select Profile. This takes you to your personal settings, where you can update how you appear to the people booking time with you. On the profile page, find the section labeled Photo or Icon. This is where you'll upload your new image. Go ahead and click Upload Picture. A file picker window will open. Choose an image from your computer. A clean professional headshot works best, ideally a clear photo with good lighting and a simple background. Common file types like JPG and PNG are typically supported. If possible, start with a high-resolution image so it stays crisp after cropping. After selecting your image, you'll see tools to adjust and crop it. Use the handles to frame your face, keeping your eyes roughly in the top third of the image for a balanced look. Square crops tend to display best in small circles, so center your face and leave a little space around your head and shoulders. If the image looks off-center or too close, take a moment to reposition it. When you're happy with the preview, click Apply. Think of Apply as confirming the preview. It doesn't finalize your changes yet. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is easy to miss, but it's essential. Saving locks in your new picture across your Calendly profile. Once saved, your avatar in the top right corner should update. If it doesn't change right away, give it a second or refresh the page to see the new image. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Choose a photo with soft, even lighting and a neutral background for a clean, trustworthy look. Avoid heavy filters, busy patterns, or distracting elements. If you represent a brand, consider aligning your image style with your company's visual tone for consistency. That's it. Your profile picture is updated and ready to make a great first impression on anyone booking with you.